Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Preet and welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will be creating this butterfly eye look, and I had so much fun creating this look and I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video as well. This one is a super easy look. It will not take you guys more than 4-5 minutes to create this look if you guys want to. And just in case you guys create any of my looks, I would be more than happy to see your pictures, so make sure you guys tag me in your pictures on Instagram. So let's begin and let's see how I created this look. And if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell icon. So yeah, let's begin and let's see how I created this look. So I've already done my base, so in this video I'm just gonna show you guys how I created this look on my eyes. So I'm gonna start with my eye makeup. So using a NYX Epic liner in black color, I am creating those wing effects on my eyes. So you don't have to get worried about the line, just in case like the lines are a little wavy or not exactly pointed. So don't worry about it, it's completely fine, right? No one's perfect, so it's completely okay. Just create those wings line. The eyeshadow palette which I'm going to be using today is a James Charles eyeshadow palette, and I will be only using 2 shades from this eyeshadow palette, which would be from the purple family. So the first shade which I'm going to be using is this violet color, and then I would be applying it on the area where I just created that wing effect. So make sure your color should not go out of the area, like the wing area, so it should stay inside the wing. So just keep blending it out. Like I mentioned, I am not using any other color apart from the violet family, so I'm just gonna be using the same purple shade to just like create that deeper effect towards the end of my wings. So that's what I'm doing, and just keep blending it out. Blend with your free hands, you don't have to be really harsh while blending. So next shade which I'm going to be using is this shimmery purple color, and then I would be applying it on the 3/4 part of my eyelid, and then using a flat shader brush I would be applying it. I can also use fingers, but I'm using a brush to apply it. Much simpler to apply with the brush rather than fingers, and I don't want to mess around with my blending. That's why I am using a brush to apply this shade. Now I'm also applying the purple eyeshadow on the lower part of my eye where I just created the wing, like near the lower lash line. So I'm applying the purple and also applying a little bit of the glitter effect on the 2/3 part of my eye in the front end. Now I'm also using True Blend CoverGirl highlighter, and I would be highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. Using a Epic ink pen liner in shade black from NYX Cosmetics, I would be start drawing the more lines of the butterfly wings inside the shape which I just created, just to give a more butterfly effect. And then I would be filling dots in that black eyeliner which I just created to give that butterfly effect, using a Epic liner in the shade white from NYX Cosmetics. So just start drawing a little tiny small dots and just place it exactly on the areas where you just created the wing with a black eyeliner. So see, as simple as that, right? It was super quick. Again, I'm saying you don't have to get worried if your dots are not exactly of same shape. It's totally cool, guys. The dots can be of any shape. Just make sure you are placing a dot on exactly same area where you just created that black lines of the wing. Then I would be curling my eyelashes, and then I'm going to be using a Total Temptation mascara, which is a waterproof, very affordable mascara, and I would be applying it on my eyelashes. For the fake eyelashes, I have the Rush Me eyelashes in Kiara. The lipstick I'm going to be using is from the NYX Cosmetics, which is in the color purple, and then also I'm using a butter gloss lipstick from NYX Cosmetics. That's it, you guys. That's my final look. See, it was super quick. I think 3-4 minutes it took, and it was really super quick. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you guys liked this look which I created. Make sure you guys follow me on all my social media handles, and the direct link to my social media handles are mentioned down below in the description box. Also, the products which I used in this video, everything is mentioned on the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. And just in case you guys have any questions or concerns, comment down below. I would be more than happy to answer your questions. That's it guys, that's about today's video. I'm gonna be signing off from this video right now. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. I'm gonna see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and stay safe.